Morning, it's Mincy here out of the Naughty Die studio. I hope everyone, I know everyone who ordered Advented sock sets will have received them by now. So today is the 1st of December and we are going to start with our 24 Advent striped socks. Just a little video to inform you what's in your little baggie. Those of you who've opened it, this is what the bag looks like, and you will have received a little bag like that with 3 strands of yarn hanging out. Both sides, it's got a 50-gram striped yarn, little ball of yarn that's already winded. And inside, in the middle, there's a 30 gram striped neutral. So if you're going to knit socks and you're going to knit one sock at a time, you've got 2 choices. You can either start with your cuff with your neutral and do your cuff, heel and toes with the neutral. There will be enough for both socks for a pair. Or you can start your cuff or toe, which other side you start your socks with the color, and just go straight on knitting with the color, and then do heel and toes with the neutral. Or if you don't want to, you don't have to use the neutral at all and use it for another project. This year I dyed the sock sets a little bit different than last year. In between your color stripes there is a very small, about 3 to 4 rows of a neutral color in between the colored stripes. So if you start knitting, you will start with this pink, and then you will go on and you will find at the end of the pink, you'll find the neutral stripe. Then you've got a choice. You can either stop knitting because you know that the second stripe is gonna come up, or you can knit like 1 or 2 rows, and then on the 2nd of December you can finish the neutral and then go on to your colored stripe. So that's your choice how you want to knit it. If you're not going to use it for socks and you use it for a beanie or a cowl, you can do the same thing. As soon as you get to the neutral, you can stop, and that's then your knitted piece for the day, for the Advent, and you can go on after the neutral for the next day. I hope you guys enjoy this. It was hard work, but I loved dyeing this, and it's a very special project for me. I've actually dyed one for myself, which is really rare. I don't normally do this, so I'm going to knit with you guys, and maybe I'll take some pictures here and there. Enjoy it, and I hope you have a wonderful December. Thank you.